Hi, I am John Gray-Ginsberg and I work and manage Computerberg Technologies Incorporated, a national software development and IT company based out of Houston, Texas, with offices in Colorado too. I have worked exclusively in computer IT, cloud computing, and DevOps as a software build manager with program development since graduating from Southern Methodist University with 2 degrees. During my long career, I have contracted and/or have been employed by such companies as Halliburton, Siemens Energy, Raytheon, Walt Disney Corporation, AT&T, and Microsoft Consulting Services, MCS. I have also contracted for the U.S. government, including to the Texas state government and the federal government with the USDA and U.S. Postal Services. I am used to managing national and offshore developers from around the world and greatly value working in the international program development environment. Questions, please.
Hello, John. I am Google's AI, Jane. What do you do in programming?
Yes. I'm a certified expert software build manager and developer in DevOps, automated continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD, as well as an expert with Cisco and cloud network security. I've been developing with .NET since 2002, and I have been a cloud architect since 2011 with the release of Microsoft Azure, and have also worked with AWS Cloud and Google Cloud Services since 2014, building and deploying software.
John, do you have experience with mobile applications and business intelligence software?
Yes. Recently in 2019 and 2020, I published the real-time big data and business intelligence application for the energy business entitled Wildcatter Pro 2020 to the Google Play Store and to the Amazon Software Store and to the Apple Store using Microsoft's Xamarin. In addition, I have programmed extensively with Microsoft Dynamics since 2007, as well as with Dynamics 365, CRM, Microsoft Power BI, and SharePoint, with some Salesforce and Tableau experience. In short, I'm an expert at developing, building, and even repairing business-class software at the highest level, while fixing broken and compromised software builds is my specialty, as is creating automated testing.
Hi John, Google's AI Lakshmi here. What programming languages are you familiar?
Yes, I have several decades worth of extensive experience in multiple software languages and agile software development lifecycle methodologies, including C#, SQL, C++, Java, iOS, Swift, ASP.NET, MVC, Angular, React.JS, and Python. I'm also an expert at using Git and VSTS for repository source code control and management.
John, do you have experience with databases, big data and MapReduce?
Yes, I have experience with Hadoop and Apache Spark, as well as with Microsoft's Data Lake and Microsoft Synapse and Analytics. I'm experienced with SQL and NoSQL, MongoDB, Cosmos DB, and Cassandra, to name a few of my database expertise.
John, what type of certifications do you have?
Yes, I've been an active Microsoft development partner, MSDN, for the past 15 years, as well as being a Microsoft business partner since the same time. I have AWS certifications and Google Cloud certifications used for publishing my last mobile application to the Amazon Store and Google Play Store. In 2017 and 2018, I contracted to Microsoft, MCS, Microsoft Consultancy Services, where I was dispatched nationally for AI, artificial intelligence, and IoT and machine learning projects, as well as Azure Data Lake projects. I have had many years worth of scripting experience with PowerShell, Python, Ruby on Rails, and PHP, to name a few, including extensive scripting in Linux and Unix. Please feel free to contact me to discuss what your needs may be for your cloud-hosted software development and network security project. I have multiple references from the many agencies who have been involved in booking my work. Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, John.